Hey, what's up? This is Tech Brothers. Rugged smartphones are very popular today because they offer waterproof case, big battery, pretty good performance and even decent cameras. In this video, we want to talk about OUKITEL WP2. It has all these features, for example, 10,000 mAh battery, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage, 16-megapixel camera and 6-inch Full HD display. This phone is already available on sale and you can buy it on GearBest for only $220. So let's make first review and later we will try to get it for unboxing and full review. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers. OUKITEL WP2 is a rugged phone and it really looks like that. Of course, this is not bezel-less device, however it comes with big 6-inch display with Full HD Plus resolution and 18:9 aspect ratio. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. In general, the body is made of special protective material, but it looks and feels like plastic. Also, the phone has metal frame. On the back panel you can see dual camera and super power flashlight, which consists of 4 LED flashlights. Another interesting feature is side fingerprint reader. You can use it to unlock the phone, answer the call or take a photo. OUKITEL WP2 has IP68 standard and it provides waterproof, dustproof and even shockproof. The smartphone is equipped with USB Type-C port, but there is no 3.5mm audio jack. If we talk about hardware, we cannot say that OUKITEL WP2 is super powerful. Yes, it has 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage with microSD support, but there is only MediaTek MT6750T chipset. It is quite old processor from 2016. The phone scores about 56,000 points in Antutu. Yeah, you can play latest Android games such as PUBG Mobile, Strike of Kings and others, but you will need to choose low graphics settings. OUKITEL WP2 is equipped with NFC for contactless payment, subway and air tickets, guard control, etc. The smartphone has a dual rear camera with 16-megapixel main sensor from Samsung and 2-megapixel secondary sensor. On the front, there is 8-megapixel sensor. The main feature is 4 LED flashlights on the back. You can use it as flashlight at night, which is very useful for travelers. Also, it allows to make good photos in low light conditions. OUKITEL WP2 is pretty big smartphone, so it also has big battery. 10,000 mAh battery provides up to 28 days of standby time, 50 hours of talking time, and 15 hours of video time. There is no information about fast charging support, but the phone is equipped with USB Type-C, so the battery charge should be fast. Finally, let's talk about price. The regular price of this phone is $270, but right now there is flash sale on GearBest and you can buy OUKITEL WP2 for only $220. In description under this video you can find link to flash sale. So for this money you will get rugged phone with IP68 waterproof case, 6-inch Full HD display, 10,000 mAh battery and other interesting features. What do you think? Is it a good deal? Write in comments below. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and subscribe to our channel Tech Brothers.